Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to stake your banned protocol token in the Atomic wallet. So let's get started. All right, so I've got the Atomic wallet set up here on my desktop. I've got a great video on how you get the Atomic wallet set up. It's a desktop-based wallet that stores the private key on your device, your computer, your desktop, your laptop. And it is a non-custodial wallet, so you control the private keys. They give you a backup phrase when you initialize the wallet. So once you've got your wallet all nice and set up, you can do a lot of things with it. You can send and receive cryptocurrency, store cryptocurrency. You can exchange tokens one for the other, which is pretty cool. You can actually buy crypto from within the wallet. You can look at your transaction history. But today we're going to talk a little bit about the staking features, and I'm going to stake some banned protocol in the Atomic wallet. So the first thing I need to do is get some banned protocol into this wallet. So we can search for banned protocol. Now this is the full-blown token here, banned protocol. The older one is an ERC-based token. You might have some of that you would like to store in this wallet, and that's fine, but you won't be able to stake that. So my recommendation is if you have some ERC20 based banned protocol, get it exchanged for regular banned protocol. You can do that on the Binance Exchange. So I'm just going to click on banned protocol. I'm going to click receive and reveal my banned protocol address. So I'm going to copy that address into my clipboard, and I'm going to run over to the Binance Exchange. All right, so I'm here on the Binance Exchange. I'm just going to go over to my wallet. All right, and I'm going to withdraw my banned protocol token. So I'm going to click withdraw here. And then I'll just pull down and choose my banned protocol. Right, and they give me my balance. All right, and then I'm just going to paste that banned protocol address in my address field here. Now, I don't need a memo when I'm transferring it into my own wallet. So if you'll notice over here, there's no memo field, right? We don't need that field because we're not putting in an exchange, we're withdrawing to a wallet. I'll do a small test transaction first just to make sure everything's going to work. I'll hit submit here. All right, I've confirmed that I'm not using the tag. Right, and I'm going to need an email verification code and my Google Authenticator code. So I'll hit get code. All right, I'll go over to my email and get that code. Go back over here to Binance. I'll put in that email verification code, and then I need my Google Authenticator code. And I'll hit submit there. All right, and there you can see that my withdrawal request was submitted. I can click this button here and go to withdrawal history and see that my banned protocol withdrawal is processing. Right? So we'll just wait for it to come over into our Atomic wallet. Make sure that's working. Okay, so I've received the banned token into my Atomic wallet. My first test transaction worked out just fine. So now that we've got some banned token in the wallet, we can go over here to the staking section and check out how staking banned protocol will work. So we've got our available balance in our wallet, and then we've got the amount staked, the amount that we're unbonding, and the rewards, right? Now, if you hover over these, you'll see the requirements, and you can see here that staked is when we delegate to a validator, and rewards are what we get, the interest payments that we'll get from the validator for staking our coins with them. You'll also notice here that under unbonding, that undelegated or unstacked coins will be frozen for 21 days. So you'll want to keep that in mind. It's great to earn interest on your coins, but you just need to keep in mind that if you decide to unstake your coins, they will be locked in the wallet for 21 days. It's not a long time, but if you're kind of planning on trading your band token, you might want to keep that in mind. All right, so I'll go ahead and do a stake here. All right, and you can adjust this too. You don't have to stake it all, right? I can just stake part of my holdings. And it looks like if I click this link here, I can choose the different validators that are available, right? And you can do research on these validators. You can go over and check to see how long they've been around, how reliable they are as far as uptime and all of that stuff. So I encourage you to do your research on any of these validators, right? I'll go ahead and use Figments. I'll go ahead and click Stake. I'll enter my wallet password, and there we go. My band token was successfully staked. I'll go back to staking. All right, and then you can see here on the readout, it shows now that there's my available balance, right? I can withdraw that balance if I want to. Got 6 band tokens staked and earning interest, right? I'll be earning interest on those. And remember, this is a yearly yield, right? So it's going to take an entire year to accumulate that percentage of my holdings, right? And it's not going to be a lot with this amount. But of course, you can see the more you stake, the higher your rewards will be. And you're going to get partial rewards over time, right? You don't have to wait a full year for the full 17. You'll get pieces of it as time goes by, right? And then unbonding here, if I decide to undelegate, like unstake that 6, it's going to take 21 days for that to fully unstake and be available in my balance. All right, so that's it. That's how you stake band protocol. The procedure would probably be similar with these other coins. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget, I do a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A from Michigan, where you can throw out questions and I'll do my best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.